Welcome to my channel Phi Concepts CHM. This is the first part of the series on viscosity, where we will see about viscosity. We observe water, kerosene, they flow very easily compared to castor oil and honey. Now this is due to the property of a fluid called as viscosity. Viscosity is a property of the fluid to oppose the relative motion between its different layers. When two layers are in contact, they exert tangential forces on each other, which opposes the relative motion between the layers. The forces between these layers, they are called as forces of viscosity. So, viscosity may be thought of as internal friction or the resistance of a fluid in motion. Same way, if a solid surface is kept in contact with a fluid and is moved, the forces of viscosity appear between the solid surface and the fluid layer in contact. The fluid in contact is dragged with the solid. If the viscosity is sufficient, the layer moves with the solid and there is no relative slipping. We can take the example of a boat which is moving slowly on the water of a calm river. The water in contact with the boat is dragged with it, whereas the water in contact with the bed of the river remains at rest. So here different layers are shown. They are having different velocities. Let V be the velocity of a layer at a distance z from the bed, and V plus dV be the velocity at a distance z plus dz. The velocity differs by dV between the two layers. The velocity is differing by dV in going through a distance dz perpendicular to it. So the quantity dV by dz is called as the velocity gradient. The forces of viscosity between the two layers of a fluid is proportional to the velocity gradient in the direction perpendicular to the layers. Also, this force is proportional to the area of the layer. If F is the force exerted by a layer of area A on a layer in contact, then as mentioned above, F will be proportional to A and F is also proportional to the velocity gradient dV by dz. So we can write down F is equal to minus eta into A into dV by dz. The negative sign is included as the force is frictional in nature and opposes the relative motion. The constant of proportionality, which is given, we denote it as eta. It is called as the coefficient of viscosity. SI unit of the viscosity, it is Newton second per meter square. CGS unit is dynes second per centimeter square, but in general the unit poise is used in honor of the French scientist Poiseuille. 1 poise is equal to 0.1 Newton second per meter square. Thank you for watching this video.